This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
What's up guys, this is Eric from Financial Hawks, and in today's video we'll be going over 7 ways you can make money on election day or during the election week. Let's go ahead and get into it. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay connected on this financial journey. Today is election day and this can get crazy this week, but no matter who wins, we're going to get money regardless. Let's go over 7 ways you can make money during this election day or week or even afterwards. Number 1, sell t-shirts, face masks, apparel for your political party or the one that wins. Political apparel is huge during this time. This is a perfect time to go ahead and capitalize on this. Hate it or love it, the red MAGA hats have done insanely well and have not only made a lot of money, but have become a symbol of their own. So how about you do the same thing and make a shirt, hat, or even a coffee mug with a sleek slogan and a color scheme that matches your political party or a design that matches the winning one. You can use sites like Teespring to make these shirts and then start marketing to your friends or their friends, your groups, or through your social media. And heck, you could create a quick blog site and post those on there too. Or if you're good with Google Ads, you can market ads to go directly to your purchase page for your merchandise. But yes, for tonight and for the rest of November, this is the perfect time to capitalize on this. Number 2, create a watch party for your side. If you're a person who likes to be out during this C19 time, then having a watch party with a group of friends, or better yet, renting out a spot and promoting the party through a Facebook group for your political party and selling tickets for like $5, $10 to attend could be a fun and quick way to make some extra cash during this election time. You can then serve drinks and food and then just go ahead and pocket the rest of the money. People already do this for the Super Bowl, so why not do it for the election night? Number 3, join your political party's affiliate programs. If you can find affiliate programs for your political side, you can just market those products and then get your cut. That easy. There's hundreds of thousands of affiliate programs out there on the web. And when I went to Google and typed in political affiliate programs, one of the first ones I came across was an affiliate program for the Trump 2020 store. So start looking for some and start making posts on those merchandise with a link to the affiliate site purchase page to get paid. Number 4, sell food or gift bags for your political party. If you're a foodie or know how to make a good gift bag, this is an easy way to make a little side money tonight or later during the week by making some food and sharing it with your friends and family. You can add in a little color scheme to fit your party too, or a saying or a quote, and sell those for the cheap to them. Your friends may get a good laugh and a full belly, and you'll end up walking away with a few more dollars you didn't have before. Number 5, create a YouTube or social media page for your party. If you're a person who wants to create a YouTube political channel or become a social media personality for politics, this is the perfect time to do so. Not only will you have a good time to get viewership from many people going on social media to hear about this election, you can use this to start selling your own merchandise or promoting yourself using any of the methods above. And depending on your commentary and personality, could get a pretty good amount of subs pretty quickly versus trying to start a channel like this later on once we're closer to Christmas and the election night talks died down. Number 6, create a live stream tonight watching the election polling results. Now this is great if you already have a YouTube channel and wanting to get some easy views. Everyone is going to either be on their TVs, their laptops, or their phones during the poll results tonight. And you can bank on this getting at least a few people going your way, especially if you rarely get people on your live streams. You can talk about your thoughts, give state by state feedback. The list goes on. And with this, you can also have a tip jar in your live stream for people to go ahead and donate to you. Or again, use this to promote merchandise or affiliate links to your party. I've seen a few smaller YouTube channels blow up pretty quickly like this during the PlayStation and Xbox reveals. So hey, giving this a try wouldn't hurt. Number 7, and lastly, make some bets. I'm not a big person on betting, but if you are a betting person and have some friends to bet against, this is a perfect time to put your money where your mouth is and place bets on who you think will be the next US president. You can even spice this up a bit by splitting the bet across who wins each state, or who wins the electoral college versus who wins the popular vote. This can end either really well or very badly, so please have some safe friends. Anyway guys, thanks for checking out these 7 ways you can make money during this election time. Hopefully you guys learned some new ways to make some money during this election. And if you have any other ideas, definitely let us know in the comment section below. If you're trying to find other ways to make money but can't think of any, be sure to check out the free Money Mentality course in the description box below and get your brain prepped for making some money. Now go ahead and stay safe tonight, guys.
This message is being broadcast by the Department of Defense of the Republic. At 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, multiple unidentified objects were confirmed to have entered Earth's atmosphere. It is speculated that these objects are of extraterrestrial origin. The broadcast will quiet at this time for your safety. Continue to carry out the following instructions.